So here is Muzi X App. It's one of alternatives to Muzi App. There are a bunch of those alternatives these days. It's just another one. So let's just install it. Let's just try it out together. And then yeah, you just have it here. So here is the app, and then yeah, you just have it here. So a Discover Ultimate Music Experience app lets you bookmark and organize your favorite music videos, build playlists, share with friends, and more. App can also stream onto any AirPlay. Best of all, it's free. So you could just create infinite playlists, build a perfect library, stream content to an AirPlay, control music through a car stereo, and more. So here is the app. You can just go, and of course it uses ads. And then yeah, here you have, this is how it looks like. You have your playlists, your liked songs, your local songs. So for example, if I just search for something, so seems it's a bit buggy though. So as you can see, it's a bit buggy, so maybe you can try it out later. You can also upgrade to remove ads. And yeah, so let's just restart it to see if it's gonna work. So yeah, now you see this. So yeah, basically that's just what it is. And then you have all the charts. So here it works in the charts. So then you can just add it to playlist and then create new playlist. And then just tap add and add in like that. So this way it works, but overall it's a bit buggy. But yeah, here's the app.